this, man? What? Whoa.
That's a BMW 335i and 55. Twin power turbo.
Twin power turbo.
Both
What do we got that's on the same equivalent as this?
nothing.
Come on, man. Don't be like
See, the thing is, like, this is a real ass car. RC charger, roughly.
But this full size? Considered full size?
Yeah, 4-door full size. Yeah. But it's
God, it's sweet.
yeah, it's
What y'all doing?
pretty decent, pretty nice. YouTube certified.
Shut up, man.
YouTube certified.
This is nice. Rush Custom. That's what's up. Ooh, look at the pipes. No, they might come down and say so. I don't want you to get in trouble. All right, guys, I smell gas. Let's go find out where this gas odor coming from. Yeah? Oh, they look like that now?
Yeah, just the new style now.
What model is this?
The 19.
The long tubes still go all the way across?
It's inside now.
What?
Inside, yeah.
So it's disconnectable from either.
Yeah. And the shit stays inside.
Yeah, because on the older model it was stuck.
Stuck together.
Yeah. Damn, so we still having fuel pump problems, or is this?
It's the fuel level.
Oh, this ain't a no start.
No.
Oh, okay, they fixed that then. Look, new connector and everything.
Yep, a different style connector.
Yeah, I can see where the ground is in P&3 now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So this is what we doing to all the ones we're fixing now.
The older ones.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's still paint. It's worse than the old one. It's more of a pain in the ass to put this one back together because
I seen where the pump come out of here.
it's on.
Jimmy was doing one the other day, off Parker Rod. It need the new fuel pump he was putting in to be able to push more volume, as opposed to the pressure gonna remain the same. It's a funny way to explain it, but I didn't know. Not that I didn't know, but I didn't think about how fuel volume can affect. You gonna put that in and plug it up, man. Whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, YF. What y'all got? Tom Cook. Hella, do y'all have the same machine? Charge. It's in charging. I guess we go in automatic mode. Must be in a vacuum right now because I'm at -30. Yeah, I'm in a vacuum. So in a minute now it's going. If it's in automatic mode, we're gonna go ahead and self-charge. This is what I'm about to give me, guys. This is my next purchase. Vacuum Ventura cooling system. Oh, it's just a refiller. Okay, still the same. Mine's. I guess you can. I don't know if you can do pressurize the cooling system or not. I'm still old-fashioned, guys. I have the physical pump, the one that pumps. Yeah, it's the new design fuel pump. I think it's for the secondary. Remember, guys, there's a secondary and a primary. Okay, that must be the primary. Primary looks like it's still the same. I don't know, it could be the secondary. I don't know. At any rate, guys, here, and don't be talking smack, okay? I hate when y'all start talking smack. Yes, this is a fairly new car, but it was damaged, okay? It's not like stuff broke. It's not like the AC broke because the AC broke or it failed. You know, this is a fairly new car. What had happened was, yes, some damage. So that's why I keep telling y'all, man, a lot of this stuff could be self-inflicted wounds. And y'all would just jump on the car maker, start dogging out the car maker. Chrysler John, look at that brand new car already in the shop. It's a self-inflicted wound. He hit something. My man just put a new radiator and a condenser on it because all of this was smashed in. Yeah, I'm gonna show. I even had to do a bracket on this one. Yeah, so it's called self-inflicting, guys. Don't be talking smack Don't let Scotty Kilmore see this, or he'll swear. Look at that brand new car already in the shop. Great FCA sucks. No, Scotty. Some people like to destroy their own stuff. Okay, it's a word called accident, and it happens quite a bit, guys, unexpectedly. Okay, I'm sure he didn't try to do this. So, somebody had to pay for some self-inflicted wounds. All right, now let me get on back to my end. That diesel's still here. I don't know. I think the mechanic on vacation, and nobody wants to fool with it. It'll be here when he get back. Cummins diesel, guys. I took a course on this. We reiterated or discussed the proper procedure to replace camshaft and lifters. Yes, the bed has to come out. I mean, how else are you gonna get the damn long camshaft out? But we went over the new procedures, getting the lifters out without them dropping into the oil pan. Okay. Yes, it's no fun. I really paid attention in that course because, well, the likelihood of me working on one is slim. Number one, my lift, I can't get nothing this size in the air in my area, my neck of the woods. So this is the right guy. It's the right lift for this job and everything. So we'll let him have it. All right. What is going on? Oh, it's another 200. Why am I walking around with this? This is garbage. Let me throw this away. See that? Now that 200 in the back was a 3.2. This is a 2.4. So a little bit more power than that. No, the 3.6 is a little bit more power than this 2.4. All right, I'm going back to the other end, guys. Whoa, okay. Cylinder head. Okay. I guess it's only a cylinder head. We pulled the cover off, so I don't know. Maybe a cylinder head and a oil leak in the front. Otherwise, why is the cover off? Because that is how the book says to do it. And those of you not following the book, shame on you, okay? You should really follow the instructions, guys. I don't know where I got this head off. I'm over here talking. Where's the old head? Oh, I got it over here. What is my man doing? Do we got a misfire? Do we got a exhaust valve? If I had to guess, I would guess a misfire in this cylinder right here. So this is either 2 or 6. This has to be 6. Okay, 2, 4, and 6. Look how that chamber differs from first 2. Interesting, guys. Hold tight.